Good morning, folks. Today I bring you not only the best stocks to buy, as well as the best match in the World Cup 2022. So I'm going to start by showing you here this Portugal, Switzerland. 6-1. The best match in the World Cup 2022, regardless of who will be the winner. So what I'm going to do today is to explain why certain things are happening in the stock market. Because I've been here explaining and trying to help everyone to become a millionaire by following our guidance. In fact, it is public, and we made this free. So I'm going to refer here to the performance of certain Chinese stocks. You have here an example. This stock is up 300%. Okay, no one wanted to invest in this company, Chinese company. So I'm going to explain this. This is an example of a stock that melted. Old Chinese stocks, they crashed. I made the calls available 2 years ago. And I'm not just referring to Alibaba, the major ones, or Baidu, GD.com, and so on. In particular, this one, DD Global. Having said this, during the course of 2022, I announced here a bundle for those interested in investing in China. So while the public quit, the crowd, what I said that these stocks they were going to do during the course of 2022 is precisely what they've been doing. Okay, so what I did, it was to make use of a feature, probably the most important that we have available at autonomous trading, which I called it the AI path. Okay, so what is this feature about? This feature tells you the future, what you have today and what the stock is going to do. Okay, so I described and I utilized this feature to describe what Alibaba, GD.com, Pinduoduo, DD Global, all the Chinese stocks they were likely to do during the course of 2022. This is the reason why you have seen this stock, and not only this one. You have the example of Xpeng and so on, soaring 300% within just 1 month, okay? And by the way, this is not the first time that it happens. So I'm going to show you here, you have the chart here, okay, the performance of the stock in just 1 month. And what I'm going to do is to show you that this is not the first time that the stock is doing it, because in May, when I made this call, the stock did precisely the same, okay? So what my customers and those following us are doing it, or they have been doing it since or during the course of 2022, it has been to follow the instructions that they are updated in real time. And this is important. Why? Because it validates the value of that feature, that it is possible to know exactly what the stock is going to do. So you can learn about the feature today by following those instructions that they were made available months ago, okay? And I proved this thousands of times, okay? So having said this, I'm very happy for this matter. And now I'm going to refer here to what you have, the recent article on the blog that is from 1 week ago. And if you read the article, you are going to comprehend why the Chinese stocks, they soared even further, okay? Because it is there explained in detail. You just have to read the article and nothing else. And obviously then to execute based on the instructions that people, they had access to, all right? So while everyone else, the crowd quit and capitulated investing in Chinese stocks, my friends, the Chinese stocks are up, as you can see it here live on the tape,